It is likely that you have heard the term shadow beliefs. Yes, it can sound like something right out of a sci-fi movie, but shadow beliefs are actually real, and it is vital that you know about yours, as they can be ruining your life. You see, you will have some of these restrictive and self-defeating beliefs, and they can be creating havoc in your life. By now, I am sure you want to know what are shadow beliefs. Your shadow beliefs are subconscious or hidden beliefs that are usually below your awareness. You can hold these about yourself, others, or the world around you. Your shadow beliefs can originate from your childhood experiences, your early life conditioning, or cultural influences. Your shadow beliefs can significantly impact your thoughts, emotions, behaviors, relationships, virtually your whole life. Where did the terms shadow and shadow beliefs come from? The term shadow, in this context, comes from the field of psychology. The concept of the shadow was introduced by Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung, a prominent figure in the field of analytical psychology. Jung used the term to refer to the unconscious and less visible aspects of the psyche, including aspects we may not fully accept or acknowledge about ourselves. So, where do your shadow beliefs come from, and how did you take these on? There are many times in your life where you may have unknowingly taken on shadow beliefs. Here are some ways you may unknowingly have installed shadow beliefs that are now limiting your life. Your early life experiences, even innocent events from your childhood or formative years, can shape your beliefs and perceptions. Negative experiences or messages received during childhood create shadow beliefs as a response to what you are perceiving from the perspective of a child. Your caregivers can teach you their limiting beliefs to get you to buy into their version of reality, including their shadow beliefs. Cultural and social conditioning, societal norms, family expectations, and cultural influences can lead to the internalization of certain beliefs that may not align with your true self. Traumatic events, major life events, especially traumatic ones, can give rise to shadow beliefs that will shape your views on safety, trust, and your self-worth. Repetitive patterns. If you repeatedly encounter similar challenges or difficulties in life, you may develop shadow beliefs as coping mechanisms. To help you understand this process, here are 2 examples of how easily shadow beliefs can be adopted. Example 1. You are a young child, lying in your crib, and you are crying, and no one comes. Unconsciously, you can instantly take on a far-reaching belief that no one loves me. Yes, as a child. This gets taken on by your subconscious mind as a core belief, and can run in the background of your mind for the rest of your life. Example number 2. Rejection and unworthiness. As a child, your achievements were consistently overlooked or criticized. From a child's perspective, you interpret this as meaning you are not good enough, or that you need to constantly prove yourself to be loved and accepted. Its potential impact on your life. As you grow into adulthood, you may carry a shadow belief that you are unworthy of love and acceptance as you are. This belief alone could lead to patterns of seeking validation from others, struggling with low self-esteem, and feeling an underlying fear of rejection. You might also struggle with forming healthy, authentic relationships, fearing that you'll be rejected if you reveal your true self. These examples illustrate how early experiences can create shadow beliefs. These beliefs can influence your thoughts, behaviors, relationships, and your life. It's important to understand that these far-reaching beliefs can be based on the interpretations made by a child that is not capable of discerning what is really going on. This belief gets installed and is tied into your subconscious and can become part of your survival programming. As such, your subconscious mind will seek to prove these beliefs are true, even when they are not. Through built-in processes, confirmation bias, and your RAS. The reticular activating system. Understanding the long-term effects of shadow beliefs on your life. Your shadow beliefs can have a profound effect on your quality of life. They can manifest in various ways, such as self-sabotage. Shadow beliefs can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors. These can prevent you from achieving your life goals. Unhealthy patterns relating to others. Shadow beliefs can contribute to unhealthy behavioral patterns, as you may project your unacknowledged beliefs onto others. Low self-esteem. Shadow beliefs often involve negative self-perceptions, leading to low self-esteem and feelings of inadequacy. Communication issues. Shadow beliefs can hinder effective communication, making it challenging to express yourself effectively and authentically. Fear and limitations. Your shadow beliefs can create unnecessary fears, which can limit your potential by keeping you within your artificially created comfort zone. Steps that you can take to identify and overcome your shadow beliefs. Increase your self-awareness. Learn to pay attention to recurring thoughts, emotions, and patterns in your life. These will give you clues to what's hidden within you. Learn to question your beliefs. Challenge your beliefs by asking yourself if they are based on facts or assumptions. Ask yourself, is this belief true or valid? Learn to ask yourself if your beliefs are serving you, or are they keeping you stuck in old patterns? Seek support. Consider talking to a therapist or counselor who can help you explore and understand your shadow beliefs in a safe and supportive environment. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness processes, such as meditation, can help you observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This can make it easier to recognize your shadow beliefs. Use positive affirmations. Focus on replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations that counteract your shadow beliefs. Practice self-compassion. Focus on being kind to yourself. Recognize that everyone has vulnerabilities, and it's okay to acknowledge and work on them. The good news: you can overcome your shadow beliefs and improve your life. You can transform these limiting beliefs en route to creating the life you want. Remember to be patient. Overcoming shadow beliefs is a gradual process that requires patience and self-compassion as you help the adult you take charge. By bringing these beliefs into the light of awareness, you can take steps to transform them and lead a more authentic and fulfilling life. The best time to start is now. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can release your shadow beliefs.